know kung ano po yung most important marching order ninyo to all the cabinet secretaries following the first cabinet meeting earlier?
Oh, you can. I don't think we can say one. I think essentially is we got into much more detail, so there are no generalizations anymore. So each department has a very different got very different instructions. The only thing that we have to that it looks like is how that we have to realize how interconnected all the government is. That everything that's done on one hand affects the government in another place. So there is let's get our bureaucracy streamlined. I gave them. I said I will not. I give you a relatively